Hi y'all, Midnight Soul 13 here. This is February the 9th, 2025. Sorry guys, I was trying to spot that plane that went over. I kind of get nervous now with planes. Oh, look at the birds. Oh, you can't see them. Dang it. They're playing on the... You see them? They're playing on the air currents. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Now, see, that's the kind of flying I would like to do. Just for a little while. I'd like to be a bird and fly. I ain't gonna get on no airplane. Not me. Been on them. Had to be on them. But not no more. I don't got to. But anyway, it is 78 degrees today. 78 in February. Of course, it's not going to be this way tomorrow. I mean, it may be warm, but it's not going to be a beautiful day. It's supposed to be cloudy, and then Tuesday, we're supposed to get rain for, seems like a month. But a few days, a week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, something like that. Look. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I guess we have a whole flock of them. Look at them. Oh, I love it. Oh, they are just gorgeous, having themselves some fun. Don't blame you guys. I'd be up there too, having some fun. Oh, oh, y'all don't leave, come back. You're the only excitement I've had today. Maybe the YouTube world don't like it, but I love it. Well, they left. They left. I'm still trying to see what is in that tree over there. You see that tree over there? I'm pointing at the phone. Okay. But you see it, right? I don't know if that's squirrel's nest or if that's, I don't know, mistletoe or I don't know what it is. But it's a lot of it. Whatever it is. Maybe it's just leaves, tree branches. I don't know. I don't know. Ugh. I know this is exciting. Yes, I know. This is my life day in and day out. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's leaves. It feels weird having 78-degree weather and no leaves on the trees. It's odd, but it is nice. But if it gets cold again, that's going to be the bad thing, and it probably will. It probably will. Oh, there they are. Can y'all see them way up there? Way up there. That sun hits them and just shines on their wings, their feathers. That's so cool. Yeah, right now I'm in my happy place. Outside. In nature. Just flying around having a good time. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to come out here and show you how beautiful it was today. Didn't expect to see a whole flock of birds. Well, sure did. I don't know what kind of birds they were. Big birds. Big birds. All except for the fact they wasn't yellow. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, y'all. Y'all have a good one. It's nothing like looking at. There's so much to look at anymore. But y'all have a good one. I hope everybody's doing good. And oh, my flowers. They're starting to poke their little heads up. Oh. Oh. Yeah, Tammy, get yourself together. But yeah, I don't know if you could see them down there. I got to clean that stuff up. Get my flower beds ready. She says, see, I got spring fever, guys. I got spring fever. And I know not to have spring fever because it's going to turn off cold again and kill everything that's popping their little heads out. Yeah, popping their little heads out. But anyway, y'all have a good one. Stay safe. And if you're up north, stay warm and be careful. Drive safely. Drive safely. So, I'm out, guys. I'm out.